Hey y'all, so today we use the Walmart pickup, and I was thinking this would be a good idea for us because when we go in the grocery store, my two kids ask me for lots of things and we end up spending more than our budget. So today I made my meal plan, I made my list, and last night I ordered everything online and we went to Walmart to pick it up today. So follow us and I'll show you how it went, we'll show you the things we like about it and the things we don't like about it. So, alright, let's go! Okay, Aiden, tell us what is awesome about today's outing.
We're gonna go to Walmart and not have to grocery shop. We're gonna have to go in the front to get the groceries.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Why is that so great for you?
Because I have a little sister. End of explanation.
Hi, Dixie. So,
Someone's camera shy.
what else are we doing today?
Going to the library to read
Alright.
about books.
And how are you going to fix your hair?
I'm gonna put it out the window.
Look at me, what?
I'm gonna put it out the window.
Oh, can you look away from your phone at all, or? Okay, so we're here at Walmart, and I actually parked here and went in to pay a bill, but they were cool. And so how it works is, okay, so we're sitting in the car and this is the app.
And I'm standing up.
Okay, hush. This is the little Walmart app on my phone. It says your order is ready for pickup. So you just click check in and you've arrived, okay? And then it says which spot are you parked in? I am in spot number 1 because it's right there.
You should have parked in.
It's blurry. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm in spot number 1 and it says what color is your car? Blue. And then there's no, you're not pushing enter, so I guess they got this information. Okay, an associate is on the way to your car with your groceries. So I've done this before with Kroger, but there is no Kroger where I live. So this is going to be something that's easier for me and my kids. And they also sent me a text and I can check in when I'm on the way. So that's pretty neat. So we're just sitting here waiting and we're just going to film the whole thing. Alright, Dixie, why do you like picking up groceries this way?
Because I get to ride in the cart.
Oh, but we're not riding in the cart. She's coming. Look. Do you want to be in my YouTube video? Oh. So I'm trying to make a video to tell people, I won't put you in it if you don't want me to, but this is how I save money because my kids don't ask me for 25 things. And I just, you know what I mean? I just get what I need. So, okay. So I won't have to put you in it, but.
It's good. What you do? See how many views you get?
Yeah. You know, because like when I watch YouTube, I watch like ways to save money and, you know, ways to not go crazy when your kids are, I don't know, but
You do save a lot of money.
yes. So what is your name? Walona.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you just do the pickup stuff?
Yes, ma'am. I mostly do this right here. Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. With like the deli stuff, I'm recording again if that's okay. I wasn't able to like say something specific, like I wanted it cut a certain way. Is there a way to do that?
Most of the time, if you want to look and see how they cut it, and if you don't like it, then you have to adjust the sound.
You'd have to go back in.
You can go back in.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Okay. I was just wondering because on the Kroger one, you can like write in there like, I don't know, I want green bananas or whatever it is. Okay. So will you tell me one more time the substitution thing so I can put it on the video?
Okay. Substitutions. If we don't have the same size that you have, we go bigger. So substitution is good.
Okay.
Go bigger. If we don't have it in the bigger size, we do a better brand, same size.
And you pay the same price for whatever you ordered.
Charge you no more
Okay.
than what you pay.
Okay. Thank you, Alona. You're awesome. Saving me money. Okay, so tell me this. Do you ever get tips? I was a waitress for years. I mean, it's not the same, but
Yes.
you're bringing people something.
Yeah, they most customers feel if you're going on the floor shop for us and bringing us out,
Yeah.
groceries out,
Yeah.
they feel, this is
It's a
free.
service.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. Well, coming from being a waitress for so long, like, I don't know. I like to tip. I believe in it. And you're in my video, so you're definitely getting a tip.
Yes, it's good. Tipping is good.
Hey, you gotta pay it forward.
Yes, ma'am. It let you know that you're doing a good job.
Yes.
And I like this. I meet so many people, so many good people. I never ran across a person that was rude.
Well, it'll happen, but not yet.
Yeah,
Do you get lots of older people, or?
Oh, yes.
Yes, that's good for older people.
Yeah, and people with kids too. It's good for them too. Because I know me, I don't take my kids in the store.
I know, that's what, see? Yep, those two are crazy. One more question. I use cloth bags. Is there a way to get, you know how you see it on the commercial and they're using those blue Wal-mart bags? How do you get that? Okay, so I am home, and here comes my biggest issue with this sort of shopping with the pickup is I cannot use my cloth bags. So I did ask the woman in the interview, and she said that they were giving those out in the beginning, but now they don't. So I would even be willing to pay an extra $5 for new cloth bags, but this is so convenient, but this plastic is not convenient for me, because yes, I can take it in and recycle it, but really, you know, I'd rather just not use it. So I'm about to open it up and see if everything I bought is here, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so this is everything. I kind of want to start doing a series about how this saves me money, but let's see. So this is my order. Here we go. Sorry, I was looking at my app. Stop looking at the phone and recording. Okay, so the only thing that I found to be incorrect was the French bread is sliced, and I checked and I definitely ordered the roll, the whole roll, and I am going to share my meal plan for the week with you guys. So after I tell you that the only other things that they substituted were, let's see if this will come in. The roast beef that I ordered from the deli, they didn't have it, so they just gave me that. Let's see if I can get this clear. But okay, let's just go through and I'll tell you, I'll show you my meal plan for the week. Alright. So French dip sandwiches, I already have the dip, so I was supposed to get the big bread. I guess we'll have mini French dip sandwiches with the roast beef, and we'll have that with Brussels sprouts. I got 2 whole bags of Brussels sprouts. Yum. The second meal is Reuben's. So I was supposed to get corned beef. Where is the corned beef? Oh, great. Okay, next. Okay. So our other meal is tacos and nachos, and we use ground turkey for nachos. It's super much better than ground beef. And then we're having sliders one night, and my kids like these bacon cheddar burgers. So we make them into little sliders, and we'll have French fries with that. Don't judge me, just trying to be real here, guys. Chips, and we're having mahi mahi one night. This is not coming in clear. Mahi mahi. Okay, and we'll probably have Brussels again with that. And with our Reubens, I got sauerkraut for the Reubens, and I got pickles to make the sauce. We've got some bananas. I got these for my husband because they're much cheaper. He always buys them at the grocery store, I mean the convenience store. Okay, and then we have strawberries. My kids' juices, half and half. Almond milk for cereal. Snack crackers. I feel like I was supposed to have some hummus and I don't see it here. Carrots, I forgot to get organic carrots. Oh, the other substitution was the donuts. They didn't have the mixed donuts. We got all the same kind of donuts. Don't judge me. Green tea, brownies, Texas toast, and dishwashing stuff. So this is a pound of Cajun turkey, and my one issue with the Walmart pickup is I'm not allowed to specify. There's no place to write thin sliced turkey or I want green bananas, or, you know, whatever you want to write. There is no way to do that. And that goes along with my other gripe about the bags. Okay, this is ridiculous. There's got to be a better way to do this grocery pickup because it really saved me. I didn't yell at my kids today. So, okay, back to the meals. I forgot to mention chicken spaghetti. So I already have a whole chicken in the freezer, pasta, and cheese, and cream of mushroom soup, and a little bit of mild rotel to make chicken spaghetti. And then I'm totally obsessed with these apples right now. They are so good. So yeah, it definitely saved me money because I didn't buy a bunch of stuff that wasn't on the list. So there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.